This is my cat, Bentley, and he's watching a show about cats, but he's the main cat in the show. He says, those are my ribbons. Look, 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 look. You see? Bentley.
I recognize those.
He says, don't look at those cats, look at me. We don't care about the other cats. Don't worry, Bentley. That is so funny. Bentley, you're an odd little kitty, you know that? He sat there for about 10 minutes just staring up at the screen. His ears went way forward. Look at that. He's saying, how do I get to that? He tried to get in behind. He's thinking those cats must be in behind the screen.
Now, we want them to stay indoors, not out, and to live without
Bentley, you're kooky. Look. Here's the cat expert. Here's the cat. He said, I'm going to set this guy straight. That is so weird.
The likelihood is that it's not going to be better for the cats, but if they're not introduced to one another very carefully,
You think that guy's on the level, eh?
will end up being
Do you think any of this is right?
the rest of their lives than they would have been if they lived.
Who are these people?
For every
I like that.
cats happily coexist.
That is so cute.
There are many others where our pets suffer because of the proximity of rivals.
He's really watching. He's about 2 inches away.
Is not the most difficult demand we are suddenly placing on the instincts of our favorite pets.
Bentley,
No doubt we
you
love
gonna look at Mommy?
but there are some behaviors
Are you annoyed?
to do without.
Hey, do you think I care more about those other cats? I do not at all.
Now we are ashamed of their seemingly ferocious nature.
I want to turn that up a little bit. I must say, Bentley, that is very weird.
Cats have been getting a lot of bad press recently in terms of their role as hunters, as surplus killers, as animals which go out and kill for the fun of it.
Up close and personal.
The first thing to discard is that they're
Yeah.
not doing it for the fun of it. They're doing it because it's a piece of very instinctive behaviour that they've inherited from their wild ancestors. And more than that, during domestication, we've actually encouraged them to continue to do that.
And there is concern about the long-term effects of our cats on wildlife populations.
That's
However,
David
Bradshaw
Suzuki.
thinks that our pets are only a small part of the problem. He believes
Bentley, I
that
don't mind you doing that, but just
maybe
don't
due to
claw.
farm cats.
Don't leave claw marks on the
You know,
TV.
a dead bird is a dead bird. You have to admit that cats are doing something which is
He wants to be part of the action, that's what it is.
damaging to the populations. But if you are concerned for the welfare of wildlife, and
You are nutty.
cats are not really.
Look at this, look what he's doing.
A lot of slaughter or a little? Can't we just eliminate it by keeping our cats inside, where they will also be safe from predators?
Yes, Bentley, that's what you do. You're inside, aren't you? You're not always happy about
There's
it.
a big debate on whether people should keep their cats indoors or outdoors, and certainly outdoors will provide the cat with more
Bentley,
environmental
look at
enrichment.
Mommy. Once in a while, look at Mommy.
Explore the outdoor
Okay? Those are not just the back of your head. Look at that other kitty.
There's
Cute.
definitely more health risks out there, so they are more likely to get attacked by other animals.
Here comes another cat. What are you going to do?
Cats, they can get hit by
Eh?
cars.
What you going to do? Another cat
Asking
coming?
our cats to stay indoors is not as straightforward as it seems.
And we expect them to be happy. And the reality is because they are hunters, they need to have stimulation, they need to be doing things.
I'm shaking the camera. This is just so funny. Now he's going to see, are those cats in behind? He's a pretty smart cat, you know.
We had a mutual understanding, a contract. Suddenly, we want to rewrite the terms. We are asking these territorial creatures to tolerate other animals, live happily inside, and abandon.
It really is like they're in the same picture, you know? It's like there's another cat there. It just happens to be another cat.
Being essentially
He's in 3D.
kept in our homes and got some companionship from as a secondary function, to being an animal which is first and foremost a companion.